If you solved your room, you can talk in the VC.
Alright.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god.
Dude, I thought you were dying.
Nah, I put closing on my hand.
I think I died. Yeah, I died.
Oh, Kame, no.
I mute myself.
Yeah, you
Alright.
can see.
Patty, I don't like how you're AFK.
Put onto the plate. What the
Eva!
hell?
I probably wouldn't.
Alright. Welcome to the next room.
There's 2 doors leading out.
This is what I get for telling Black to make an escape room. And a puzzle.
God
Jesus.
damn it. The first 2 levels were like, the first one was really easy, but that was a mind one. The second one was just luck. With
Probably
200
fucking
gold.
Monopoly.
Are you fucking serious? We're gonna have to kill each other, I think.
I think you all should let me. Oops.
If
give
you're
me
the
a
higher
sec.
rank, you're supposed to die for us. That's like the rules.
No, it's not.
I'm a crip, but I
Okay,
can't.
then you're gonna go down as like the worst HR.
If y'all are forced to kill someone, y'all are probably gonna kill me because I'm a crippled.
Well, Fiddy's already missing an eye.
Okay, well, don't worry about me.
Who joined the VC? Kraken. What did it say? It's something about 300 gold under the table.
200.
200 gold under the table.
You guys
That's
have
it?
gold. Check your inventory if you have gold.
Yeah, I have
I have 0.
I have 0.
My gold got.
Oh fuck. There's gas. Okay, I'm gonna Okay, I'm gonna. Shit. Gas even sitting within the room. Oh, and I'm able to move. Are you fucking serious? Well, it's too late now.
What do you mean one of us?
Oh, he's talking to Ava.
Yeah,
Oh.
the question got asked.
Okay,
like,
okay,
can
okay.
y'all
So
play-
50 went at Alice. Oh, shit.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Oh.
You can always grab the gun. Shit. Is she dead?
She just got shot.
Oh. Please tell me she's fine.
Do you take?
I think I hope she's fine. Let's go.
Oh. That's the best outcome.
Did we just get it all
Ava,
out of
Ava,
survive?
Okay, Ava,
Oh
I
my
think
God.
we should get to a safe room. I'll just like try and get the fucking what's it called? Bullet out of your
Ava's
leg.
okay. Okay, give me the gun. Give me a gun. Give me a gun. Give me
I
a gun.
got it. I
I'll
got
just
it.
get.
Oh, okay, give it to me.
Line up
Let
on
me see it.
against the wall.
What?
Okay, can someone give me the gun?
I have it. Line up.
Okay.
Just
Okay,
line
okay.
up, bro. Ava, line
Okay,
up.
I'm gonna tie y'all ties. I'm gonna tie everyone, and then you can tie me.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna just stand here if you want me to. Alice, do what you gotta do. Pow, boy!
She barely lived. She barely lived.